What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be switching from my iPhone 8 Plus due to a cracked screen. Apple is going to replace this screen for me for free. Don't ask how, but they are. And I will be switching to a Blu Vivo XL4. Is this phone the phone to get if you are on a budget? I paid $150 for this on Amazon. Let's check out the specs of this phone. You have a 6.2 HD screen, pretty good. A 720 by 1500 resolution, kind of a weird resolution for the phone, but we'll check out, see how it looks. Octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor, 64-bit. In the back of the phone, you have two cameras, a 13 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera to get the best photo that you can. You have a 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front. You also have a fingerprint scanner. You could also add a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. 4G LTE, a 4000 milliamp battery, and Android 8.1 Oreo. Let's open the box and see what we get. So right out of the box here we have the phone nicely wrapped in some plastic that gives you some of the specs. A power cord, micro USB, the power bank with their blue branding on it. Some nice headphones. That's nice to see this coming with a cell phone at this price range. Some silicone gel. A blue sticker. Think I should put this on my back bumper. Repair instructions. This will help me get my SIM card out of my iPhone. A nice rubber silicone case. A second case with their blue branding, same design that's on the box. Wow, this is pretty cool. An HD glass for your phone to help protect it. Pretty impressive. All right, let's get to the phone itself. Start unwrapping this. I will mention that the battery for this phone is non-removable. I don't know why, but I get a lot of satisfaction when peeling these screens off. Here we are starting up the phone. A nice graphic to start the phone off with. A little slow on the graphic, so we'll see how this phone actually performs in a few minutes. Just want to touch base real quick on the build quality of this phone. It is with a plastic material. You do have your two cameras here on the back, which is really nice. Once again, your fingerprint scanner, and you also have the blue branding here in the middle. Once again, it's a plastic build, as you can hear. You do have the headphone jack here at the top. Not sure why the headphone jack is at the top of the phone. Would be nice to have at the bottom. Charger is at the bottom of the phone. You have your volume rocker here on the side and the on-off switch on the side as well. On this side of the phone, it's a dual SIM card slot, just so you know. I don't know if you can see, but you have the camera in the front as well. Let's hear what the sound quality sounds like for this phone. Speaker, I will say, is not bad for the phone. The screen is actually really nice on this phone, which I'm actually pleasantly surprised with, given that it's a 720p. But I guess given the size, 720p, 1080p, some people may not notice a difference. If you do look up close, maybe you'll notice a difference. I'm not normally an Android user. I usually use Apple. But you know what? Let's load up Chrome right here. Let's pull up some YouTube. Marquise right there. Let's pull up one of my favorite YouTubers. So here's what YouTube looks like on it. I have right here your Everyday Dad. Another one of my favorite YouTubers. We have Daniel. He always has some great messages on his YouTube page. Just check him out. The quality on this phone, very bright, very vibrant here. You'd have to bear with me. I'm not very good at Android phones since I'm an iPhone user. I don't even know how to get them off the bottom of my screen here. As far as bloatware is concerned, this is everything that's preloaded onto this phone. It doesn't seem too sluggish here. Let's try to get you back to the home screen. It's pretty responsive, but here it is next to my iPhone. So size-wise, they're very comparable. Once again, the Blu Vivo XL4. Is this the phone to get if you're on a budget in 2019? We'll find out and see. I'll let you know in a week. Thanks for watching.